now. You get rainy Mirage.
Yeah, make a hard man party harder, huh?
We'll see. I don't know how the bots behave on this one.
Throwing fire.
There's like 5 different versions of this map.
Throwing fire.
Coming by you. Oh, there's only 3 enemy left. You guys don't need me.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Throwing fire.
What bot's fucking our guys up?
Yeah, I like it.
Smoke.
Of course, they're dead now.
Incendiary.
I have a smoke grenade. I did not know that. Oh, shit. Guy's trying to scout me. 1 left.
Incendiary out. Throwing fire. Incendiary. Throwing fire. Incendiary.
If you go over or under an overhang
Incendiary out.
from the outside in the rain to the downrain, the sound stops.
Oh, no shit. Details.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
Alright, I might as well look for this fucker.
That's the best way to bring him to me.
Incendiary. Throwing fire.
God, I don't hear shit.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
He's behind you. Just saw him.
Incendiary.
How the fuck? Oh, there he is.
Throwing fire.
Thanks for the warning. I thought he was inside the house behind me.
Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, you didn't know what level I was on.
No, I didn't.
I'm like, I just looked in the house. How the fuck did he get back there?
Are we rushing in? Or are we going
Because I was running through that center part and I saw him run past.
Yeah, he was a lot closer to me than I thought.
Incendiary out.
Being sneaky.
Grenade
Oh,
out.
hello.
Party by you.
You can see on the map, they're all bunched up by me here.
Incendiary.
Bomb was there too. Now they all scattered. Wonder if they're gonna try another wave.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh, I think they might be trying to go through the house.
Incendiary.
Fucking shoot me, you get away with it, you fuckers.
Get away with it.
I saw one guy running towards the spawn.
Okay.
Throwing
That's where I'm
fire.
headed now.
Incendiary
I
out.
think they really want to planet B. Yep, there's the guy in the house. I thought I saw him go in. And he died.
Oh, it's a piece of cake, so it is.
Alright, so they're not shy about going to either spots.
Yeah, that's unusual. Damn it. Now I really got to watch B when I go by.
Throwing fire. Throwing flashbang. Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
Bomb down at
Incendiary
A.
out.
Coming.
Incendiary.
You get all the
Throwing
fun.
fire.
And they smoked.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Smoking bastards. Oh, there they are. Thanks for the kill.
Lads.
Yeah, looks like there's an up area there, but I can't get up to it.
Remove any doubts in your head. It's us. Incendiary out. Flashbang. Throwing fire. Deploying decoy.
Shit.
Incendiary
I'm coming
out.
from behind. Oh, maybe not.
Like they're back by their spawn. Oh shit! Fucked that up, didn't I? Yeah, I did.
A bomber just went into the back house.
Thank you. Oh shit,
You
that's
should
where I
see
am.
him. You should see. Yep. You should see him. He's like, oh, he stopped right at that fire.
Oh, he's behind me. Oh, there he is. Fucking decoy.
There he comes.
Incendiary out.
Alright, bomb down.
No, I got
Another one
that
coming.
way. Yep. Another guy coming the same way.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
Oh, I saw him jump.
Throwing fire.
30 health.
Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Oh, he backed right into that one.
Counter-terrorists win. Now we're really
How about that?
Incendiary.
Man, they need some better sewage here. Look at that water. It's not going down the drain.
Anywhere.
Not going anywhere. Yeah, it's pooling.
Throwing fire. Flashbang. Throwing fire.
Fucking dumbass spot blinding me.
Throwing fire. Incendiary out.
Oh yeah, they're coming my way. At least they're trying.
They're in.
Oh, now they're coming to A.
Oh, yeah. Just found that out.
Shit. Their aim kept getting better and better. All right, you're going through the house. The bomb's going to A, and you're going to have two. They're planting.
Deploying flashbang.
Two guys out there. One planting. One. Oh no, you're safe. Just kill that guy. Another guy coming up on your left. Yep. Yep. Right there. Two guys to worry about. Another guy. You got time. Hurry. He's going to be coming on your left, but oh, that guy. Shit! I thought you had it.
Oh, damn.
They're coming from both sides, so I guess I underestimated that scenario. There's a freebie.
These fellas are gonna regret waking up this incendiary out.
I mean, he didn't have to snipe.
You would have done the same thing, or used a knife.
Flashbang.
Sniped him.
Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Motherfucker got
God.
shot again.
Whoever gets that last bot, it's me. That's the whole world against them.
Grenade out.
I see bombs headed to B.
Good, I need the break. Okay.
And he's planting.
There's only one way to handle this.
Incendiary out.
And that's by dying.
Rainbow.
Rambo.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Incendiary.
Oh, they're all coming back. They're all they're all over there.
Oh, hello.
Fire.
I think I died. We'll get him on the next one. That was a freebie.
Oh, okay.
I have to say that every round. That's a
Let's have
freebie.
it, lads. Incendiary out. Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Uh-oh, I think I hear him in the back house here.
Throwing fire.
Yep.
Throwing fire.
Oh, I don't know how the hell I got that kill.
Incendiary out.
Wait, did he have the bomb?
Bombs at A.
Bomb's at A.
Incendiary out.
Just a great distraction.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Oh, jeez, they're all piled up over there.
Incendiary out. Incendiary. Incendiary. Throwing fire. Incendiary out. Incendiary. Throwing fire.
Oh, you got sniped.
Bullshit.
Not cool.
Right, he's planting.
Incendiary.
Where at?
Motherfucker. A.
Throwing fire.
And he's right in the middle being burned.
Incendiary out.
Finally a win.
Grenade. Counter-terrorist win. There's no stopping us.
They have not gone to the house up over here yet.
That is different. I just noticed we got bluefish on our team. That helps.
Deploying flashbang. Throwing fire. Incendiary.
It's quiet over here.
Yeah, they're all over here. I hear them in the house. There they are. I hear them coming this way. The aim is perfect. And I'm dead.
Incendiary.
But I got a couple... Ooh, 3 kills after I died. I'll take that shit. Bombs heading to B. You're on top of shit. Oh, that's Kadeem. Never mind.
Incendiary out. Incendiary.
Oh, God, I'm far away. I'm on the opposite side.
Throwing fire. Throwing
What?
fire.
3 versus 3. Oh, they're coming in through the back way of the house. Looks like I got their attention.
Oh, they're not.
The back house. Well, they were.
Throwing fire.
Got that covered.
Oh, you're the only one left. Got 3 dudes. They're coming along to B. They're going to go down that big major way. Yep, that's the one. One's got like 7 health, 1 health.
Incendiary out.
Oh, nice. That is
Oh,
nice.
silly bots.
Now we switch.
Aye, we give them a tannin.
Wow, each version of Mirage, the bots are different.
Yeah, that's for sure. That one time did they go in the house by me?
I know, yeah.
Today.
Sometimes they just flood out of that house.
Let's go.
I will go A through.
Come on, let's go.
A through the house. And everyone else is going to B. So be it.
You know where the action's gonna be, right?
It'll be at B. It'll be wide open. Do you hear all those footsteps?
I sure do.
Holy fuck. Oh, what the hell?
They were
I
already
wonder if-
outside the house.
So they actually might come through the house on this one. Yeah, this couldn't have been our boys we were hearing. There was too many footsteps.
Oh, they're all over by B.
Oh, they're coming down that middle. Oh, so brave. Oh, look at the kills you're getting. Through smoke?
Yep.
Nice.
Not sure where the last gun is.
We should know now. Yeah, it's by B.
Yeah, coward. Oh, I like the raindrops on the gun.
Oh, yeah, no, I just noticed that.
All right, we'll go lower. A.
Let's go,
Okay.
brother. Come follow me. I'm throwing fire. Throwing fire.
No, that's the winner. Oh, this guy, away from all the violence. That's because he's at B. Alright. I want to see that.
Oh, I just picked a bot and got knifed. Oh, that's the last guy you're shooting at.
Yeah, I'm struggling with it though.
Yeah, he's still in there.
There we go.
You are stupid to think you will win.
I was surprised I got 6 kills in that one.
I'm going to take B through the house.
Okay, now we fight. Follow me.
Hey, I'll go low, cause some trouble.
Try to get more than 6 kills.
Molotov.
I want to sit back with a smoke, enjoy the show.
Fire. Molotov. I planted the bomb. Bomb has been planted. Molotov. Throwing fire. Throwing fire.
Is 8 kills enough for you?
Oh man, that's how you do it. I don't do jack shit now.
Throwing fire.
There's only 2 left and I'll only kill them by accident.
Fire.
Oh damn, I got one.
I'm throwing fire. Throwing fire. I'm throwing fire. Molotov. Charge. Molotov. Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Throwing fire. Throwing fire. This guy's exploded. Terrorists win. Mirage.
They lose.
Go A-lore. Shit. Yeah, go A-lore. Fuck
I'll
it.
go through the house, see if I can get an upper attack. And no one followed me. Oh, looks like
I found the party.
I did. Nice work.
I'm throwing fire.
Well, half the party.
I'm throwing fire. I'm planted. Bomb has been planted.
Oh, 3 left. Our whole team's still intact. Oh shit. 2 left.
Throwing fire. Throwing fire. I'm throwing fire. Molotov. Molotov.
And 1 left. Oh, it's right here.
Of course, I leave.
Terrorists win. We are the best. Molotov.
Ah. I'm going to take B, but not through the house. Lower.
My brother. Throwing fire.
Sounds good to me.
Guaranteed victory.
I'm throwing fire.
Oh, they are all over there.
Oh, got sniped.
Sounds like you may have died.
Yeah, just a little snipage.
They're shooting at me, but I cheated my way through.
Planted. Bomb has been planted. Throwing fire.
Whoopsie.
Throwing fire.
That'll be
scared
just
him
you.
back. Yeah, you scared him all the way back into me.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Sniper shot to the right temple and a defusal. Yeah, you're going through the house. You're not going to see anyone. They're all scattering now.
Yeah, do the same.
That was fun.
Come on, let's go. Throwing fire.
They both bounce over here. Oh, not this again. There's still 4 of them out there.
Oh, where the fuck are they?
In between. In the
Never
middle.
mind. I found them.
They found you too. I'm gonna go A through the house.
I'll go lower, see what I can find.
Oh, I see some action already.
I think they might be at B.
Yeah, I see some red highlights over there. Oh, one left. Nice.
They jumped right into it.
Well, you gave him what he asked for.
Pain.
Pain. Yeah, Mr. T.